We will have several press breakers. The principles of all the press breakers are the same, and we're obviously only going to use this if teams choose to press us. The principles of all of our press breaks are that of the 4 players on the court, 2 will be setting screens for the others. So they're the screeners, and then there's those receiving the screen. And then the 2 who receive the screen will wait for the screen to be set, run around the screen toward the ball. The screener away from the ball on the opposite side of the court will break up court, and then the other screener on the ball side will cut toward baseline. Those movements will start when the inbounder pounds the ball, and at any point the ball should be inbounded when someone's open, and so those will be the principles of all of our press breakers. In this video, I'll show you the 2 options from the 1-4 press break, but the only difference is who's setting the screens and who's running to baseline. And then there will be another one that will run out of a square alignment, and I'll show you that in another video. So this is called 1-4 or 14 out. And so it's called out because the inside players are running out to set picks for the outside players. So you can see that those are the screens or picks, those black lines. So those players set the screens. The 1 and 2 wait to receive the screen. After they receive the screen, they run to the elbows. They shouldn't just stand there. They should keep moving to get open. They shouldn't run into each other. And then at that point, the 3, the person who set the screen away from the ball, should cut down court. If they're wide open, the inbounder should heave that ball down there for a breakaway basket. All players should work to get open. So keep moving around so that you're open. And then the screener on the ball side should cut to baseline. And the other principle for all of our press breakers is that when the ball is inbounded, we should move it up court as quickly as possible, passing, and try to move it up the middle of the court, right? Because remember, they're going to try to drive us to the sidelines to trap us. So move the ball up the court quickly. Passing, everyone should be moving, running as fast as possible. As a team, our goal should be to get as many breakaway points or baskets as possible. We should that's called scoring in transition. So move the ball, score in transition. Obviously, the defense would be chasing. And then we hit the bucket. Okay, let's get back in the alignment to show you the other variant, which would be 14 in. And in this case, the outside players are setting picks for the inside players. The same principles apply. The players receiving the pick wait for the pick, curl around the pick, and then to the baseline toward the inbounder. And the screener close to the ball on the ball side will peel down to the baseline to get an inbound pass if that doesn't work. So obviously, we start movement when the player claps the ball. Picks are set. The inside players curl around the screen. You got to go around the screen for it to be effective. Toward the baseline. The screener away from the ball should cut down court. For a pass, if they're wide open, that pass should go there. If 1 or 2 are open earlier, they should have gotten the inbound pass. The screener on the ball side runs into the paint. They should get the inbound play if no one else has gotten it yet. And then so inbound to any open player and move the ball as fast as possible down the middle of the court. So we want to try and stay in the middle. They'll give us the sidelines for a reason. If they're giving you the sidelines, it's because they're setting a trap. Move it down court in transition. Try to score transition buckets. And so that's the 1-4 in and 1-4 out, right? So in and out refer to the direction that the screeners are running. So in is the outside screeners running in, and out is the inside players running out. Okay?